Hello, welcome, my name's Crow. Welcome to this little sound demo video that I'm making here this morning, and it's to accompany the listing on Etsy for this beautiful shamanic drum that I've crafted. It's a deerskin drum. It's on a 16-inch frame. If I turn it over, you can see there's a branch handle on there. I've trimmed this with rabbit fur. On the inside frame of the frame here, I put the foot hollow drums and the date of birth, and that's to allow you to do the astrological chart for the drum if you choose, if you're into that kind of thing. So it says birth on the 16th of January 2022 in Knighton, Powys, UK. So I'm going to play with two beaters, a soft beater and a firmer beater, to give you a slightly different sound. Hopefully you'll be able to discern the difference. My apologies to begin with, that we're in quite a noisy environment this morning. The farmers have been up and down with the tractors. We've got some very distressed cows in the field who are making a little bit of noise. So hopefully the drumming might help them a little bit. And there's lots of bird song, and Jack's here if you'll bark at anything that goes by. So yeah, so my apologies for that. Hope it doesn't interrupt us too much. I'm going to play with these two beaters. One's firmer and one's softer. They give a slightly different sound. We'll start with the softer beater, and here we go. Beautiful. And now the firmer beater. Beautiful. Quite a marked difference there between the two sounds, which is good. Very difficult buying online, so that's why I make these videos, so you can come along and have a little listen. So I hope that's helped, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm Crow, it's been Foot Hollow Drums. Bye for now.